My name is Eliza Carlson, and I'm a graphic design major. I chose UNI because I wanted a space where I could truly grow, both professionally and personally. The smaller class sizes meant that I wouldn't just be another face in a lecture hall, but I would be able to personally connect with my professors and get truly meaningful feedback. I've always loved art since I was little, and I've been passionate about visual communication, so I'm really glad that UNI was given me the experience to be able to turn that passion into a career.
All of the faculty here in the department are accomplished artists in their own right, but the thing I think that really makes them stand out is their willingness to be mentors to the students and really fostering that one-on-one relationship. The one thing I think that really makes this department shine is the emphasis on nurturing creativity and individuality. There's a real emphasis on hands-on skills, not only the technical skills, but also the soft skills they'll need to thrive in the workplace. Things like collaboration and teamwork, time management, resource management, the sort of things that you really need to be successful after you leave the program.
If I could say one thing to anyone thinking about majoring in graphic design at UNI, I would say go for it. It is a place where you can truly grow your skills and flourish.